Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to start a jam on Spotify PC. For that you need to open the Spotify PC application. You can do it on spotify.com and you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards you need to select any of the tracks or the playlist. Then you are going to see these three dots in the top, so you need to click on these three dots, and among the given options you are going to see a start a jam option. But as you can see over here that the option is not showing to me in this list. It is because I currently don't have the Spotify premium. So if you have the Spotify premium, then you are going to see the start a jam option. Even if you look at the official article from spotify.com, it will say that in order to start and share a jam, you need to tap on these three dots or right click on a track or a playlist. Then you are going to see the option of start a jam, where you will have to click on that option, and after that you need to tap on invite. Here you can share a QR code or you can tap share link and send it to your friends. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.